traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I do think this is likely the end of a wave 3, and I do think we are very likely now in a wave 4, which I think overall it'll probably make 3 waves down to at least a 50% before it goes up again for a wave 5. Taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is very clearly a wave A right here. I think this is an ABC of wave B, and I think eventually it's going to go down again for a wave C. I think this 50% is the most likely area. There's a lot of resistance back here in the past. And keep in mind that I believe this is a wave forward. I also believe that this is a weekly, monthly time frame correction, which means that it's going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily, I think this is clearly the wave A. I think this impulsive up is the A or B. 1, 2, 3 waves down, B or B. I think we are likely now in a wave C of wave B, which should be a correction to this whole move down. Once it takes out this previous high, we can put our Fibonacci retracement on there, look for a Fibonacci bounce, helping us identify the end of this wave B. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, ever since we broke structure to the upside, we definitely should have been looking for longs, and there's definitely been some really nice long opportunities over the last couple of days or the last week or two. And I got these Fibonacci levels on here, not for areas to go short, but areas where we may see some pullbacks. And I'm personally not going to be going short on pullbacks, but instead I'll be patiently waiting for long opportunities at the end of the pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for longs, and I definitely wouldn't go long now. Now, this does not have to pull back now. I mean, it could easily just keep on going. So don't expect just because I draw this on the chart that means it's going down. I'm just trying to show you that if it does go down, that I'm going to be waiting patiently for the end of another three-way pullback to go long again for the continuation of what I think is a wave C of wave B. The trend is your friend. If you continue to spend the next couple of weeks really focusing on going long at the end of every single pullback you see, I think you're going to be really excited about the potential profit that you will be making. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.